Hello guys, what is going on? This is a very exciting day for me at least. This is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus, my first Android tablet. I've had iPads before, so I'm trying to switch from Apple to Android, especially since Samsung now has the DeX mode, which I'm really curious to see how that works. I got here the Wi-Fi 256 version. Don't remember if that's 6 or 8 gigs of RAM. This is gonna be a first impressions video. I will make a full review, but for now, let's open this bad boy up. All right, warranty card, and we have this nice cloth that it comes in. Try and get it for the side. How do you? Okay, let's just rip it like that, I guess. Samsung gives us the stylus, which is very generous of them. Kudos to Samsung for being generous, unlike Apple. And we have our, okay, this is not their newest type of charging bricks, but it doesn't matter. Sometimes I prefer USB-A anyway. And our cable is right here. USB-C, awesome. And in this area we have a SIM ejector tool, nice. Anything beyond that? Nope, I'm just destroying the box. Okay, first impressions, it's thin. It's pretty big, but it's thin. That camera bump is not the most attractive looking, but who really cares? All right, this thing is huge. Okay, we have a micro SD slot, which is amazing. Wow, that is huge, oh my God. I like how the camera is in the middle instead of here like the iPads, because I'm gonna be using it like this for most of the time anyway. All right, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. I also have the keyboard cover, and so I'm gonna be testing it with that. So yeah, so here we go. The tablet is all set up. Let's see how the fingerprint works. Come on, I just set it up. Why are you being like this? This is how the tablet looks like when in non-DeX mode, and here let's try our S Pen. All right, our S Pen is. It said S Pen disconnected before. Okay, yeah. Attach your S Pen to the back of the tablet, like this. Nope. Maybe on the side or here, like Apple. Oh, okay, it's on this strip over here. Duh. Okay, let's connect it. There you go, it's there. Facing up. Oh, my bad. I'm a tablet noob, guys. I never had an Android tablet before. All right, done. What else is missing? Oh, does it have to be exactly aligned? Because it doesn't want to be aligned. It keeps getting pushed to the side. Okay, we're gonna force it to be on. Nope. Try facing back up. Oh, okay, now. There we go. All right, S Pen connected. And that is pretty much it, I guess. Gotta change this wallpaper because it does not fit tablets. All right, while it installs the apps, we're gonna try the keyboard cover now. All right, let's see if I don't fail with this as well. I've seen some YouTube videos, so okay, this goes like this. S Pen is right there connected. Okay. And okay, the connector go like this. Okay. And there's a kickstand that you just, and there we go. What's this? A new firmware is okay, we're gonna update that firmware so I don't forget. Okay, we are looking good. All right, this is the stock One UI launcher. Now we have a button here for DeX. Okay, that just took, okay, maybe I have to press function DeX. Start. Wow, that is so cool. It's like a full desktop experience, only and the 120 Hz looks very nice as well. Then I can just go to the touch and does it feel like a laptop? Yeah. but you can easily tell that it's not, you know, it's not Windows. The touchpad will take a bit of getting used to, that's for sure. All right, so we're gonna use the touch screen for now. 120 Hz looks great, by the way. Okay, camera. Let's see if we can do what I think we can do. Huh. Nope. Okay, hold that, add to home. And here is our camera. Now, oh, okay, so we get this cool little pop-up. We can make it full screen up. Never mind, close it by accident. Yeah, it does take getting used to. And here we are. It doesn't look like the best quality. We're gonna take our picture. So, yeah, the quality is not the best. I look pretty washed out. And you know, no one's really gonna use this for selfies, so it's gonna be interesting to see how this holds up in, you know, video calls, you know, Zoom, Skype, all that. And if you want to exit DeX mode, we're gonna try function DeX. All right. And we are back to our typical Android experience. But yeah, I think I'm gonna use this in DeX mode for like 90% of the time because it's just awesome. Okay guys, these are my first impressions. Let me know if you want to see something in particular. The full review will be coming in a few days, hopefully. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.